everyone, so in today's video I will show you how to purchase Grammarly Premium. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for grammarly.com. Log in with your credentials and once you are in, you will see here on the left side the account option. Click on this and now look for the subscription button on the left side. Click on this and here you will see three options. Choose the one you want to get and click on get started. Now you will see here there are three options: annually, quarterly and monthly. Select the one you want to purchase and click on the select button. Now here you have to add fill this details and click on complete the purchases. Now, complete the form process and once everything is done, click on pay or subscribe button to complete your purchases. You will be instantly upgraded to Grammarly Pro and all premium features will be unlocked in your account, including advanced writing suggestion and AI tools. So that's it. You have successfully purchased Grammarly Premium. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching.